Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your YouTube is not working on Firefox browser, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, if you are facing this problem, then go to the drop down menu and click on the help. Now go to the about Firefox and check for the browser is updated into latest version. If it is not, then update it into latest version and check the problem. And the second solution is click on the extension and disable one by one extension and reload YouTube. After doing this step, check the problem. If it is persist, then next is again go to the three dotted button and go to the setting and go to the privacy and security. Now scroll down and go to the cookies and site data and clear data. Click on it and select everything and select browsing download history and cookies as you want to delete and clear all. After doing this step again reload YouTube and check the problem. If it persists, then next is click on the URL and type here